Hi everyone, for today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send and receive money in your Cash App instantly. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is to add a funds to your Cash App. Then tap the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then after that, go to your link banks. Link a bank or debit card. Then after that, go back to your home screen and tap the add cash. Then enter the amount and confirm. And also to buy Bitcoin, you can tap the Bitcoin and tap below add cash and also scroll down and tap buy. You can select the amount or tap the three dots to enter the custom amount. Next, you can tap the next, review the details and tap confirm. So regarding on how to send your Bitcoin to another wallet, all you need to do is to tap the Bitcoin tab. Then tap the paper airplane icon or send Bitcoin. Then enter the amount or BTC or the USD equivalent. Then after that tap send. Then paste or scan the recipient's Bitcoin address, then confirm the wallet address and tap next again. You may need to verify the identity. All you need to do is to upload your valid IDs and more. Then choose a withdrawal speed to confirm that transaction. Then after that, go to the Bitcoin section. Then tap sell if you want to sell the Bitcoin. Choose the amount to sell or tap the three dots to a custom amount, then tap confirm. Then amount will be converted to USD and added to your Cash App balance. And regarding on how to send money instantly, open the Cash App and tap the symbol. Enter the amount you want to send and then tap pay. Then enter the person's cash tag, phone number, or email. Then optionally, you can add a note. Then tap the green pay button to send. And also to receive the money, all you need to do is to simply share a cash tag or QR code. When someone needs money, you'll receive a notification, then the amount will show up to your Cash App balance. You can send or you can then cash out to your bank if desired. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.